Welcome to the Honest Careers YouTube channel. Here we share practical tips and realistic insights on the most sought after career pathways. Now, the really cool thing is that the world is more open than it's ever been when it comes to really amazing career opportunities, but things are also changing rapidly. And so, what this channel is going to focus on is two main pieces of content. First is one-on-one interviews with real people working the jobs and working for the companies that you're most interested in. They're going to share their realistic opinions about what it's like to really work in that job, the pros and cons, and then also share their tips for what you can actually do to land that job. Second is all about tactical career advice. Now, most of the information that you've either read online or learned in a career resource center, maybe at a college, is either flat out wrong or it's just outdated. And so, what we're going to do is partner with business owners, HR managers, and headhunters to give you the most helpful and practical career advice that's actually going to put you beyond the competition and help you not only land, but excel at your dream job. So, if you're ready to move your career journey forward, what you're going to want to do is hit that subscribe button and then also the notification bell, and you're not going to miss a single piece of content that we put out. With that being said, welcome to Honest Careers.